So all of the monitors have run except for the catalyst. This is very interesting. I've never had this before. Usually the catalyst runs very quickly. Maybe it's just not getting up to temperature yet, but I have a feeling once we exit the freeway, I'll have enough heat build up in it to get it to go. Okay, well, this is my exit. And let's check time. I've been filming for 14 minutes, and so that means I've only... Oh no, look at this guy, he's lost. Do not stop on the freeway, pal. Come on, partner. Keep going. Okay, this is why I come out here to do this when no one's out. It's 3:30 in the morning, and this guy is, and it's Saturday night, so I have a feeling he's probably just tied one on and he's come back and he's driving a little woozy. So I'm gonna try to keep my distance from him as much as possible. Okay, I still don't trust him. He's gonna make a left turn, but I still don't trust him. Okay, there you go. See you later. Thanks for not running into me. Alright, let's check these monitors now. Nope, the catalyst is still not run yet. Man, that is a son of a gun. I would not have expected the catalyst to not run. So I'm going to make a U-turn. I'm going to get back on the freeway. Oh, darn it, I just checked again. We've still got one incomplete. Alright. Oh no, it looks like that Accord made a U-turn. That's the same guy. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Man, this guy is out for me. He doesn't know where he's going. And I do not want this guy behind me. Oh no, now he's gonna get back on the freeway. Alright, this is where Captain Kirk would tell Spock to take evasive maneuvers. So I'm gonna try to shake this guy. I don't want this guy anywhere near me right now. I think he's drunk. Alright, thank God he just got on the freeway. And it looks like this catalyst monitor still has not run.